Hey guys, Menji here, and today I'm going to show you the track. I copied the track Pickle on the drums, this track called, and let me show you how I copied it. I copied not a whole track, but I made melodic elements, bass, etc., but something like in style of that track, and I will show you all the processing, and then I'll show how to change the track to your own style, your own melodies, and etc. Okay, let's go. Let me show the track, and then I'll show all the processing.
You'll never quit.
Okay, here's the track, and let me show you the procession I use for this track of this demo. This is a kick, it's a drop kick, it's a breakdown kick. I used 2 layers for this kick. This is the main kick. I used a 10th channel. The procession is the compressor. It's the default plugin in FL Studio. You can see all the settings here, and I used the top kick. To make a more tech house mood with that top kick, and the procession for the top kick is right here. Okay, then we have a clap. The clap consists of 2 layers. And the procession right here. I use the stereo enhancer to make more white. Also, I used reverb to make it more cool, more atmospheric, and this is the equalize how equalized the clap. Also, I use Camel Crusher to make it more loud, more cool. Okay, this is the hi-hats. Actually, it's a drum loop. I just cut it like that. Okay, and we have a drum loop in the breakdown. It's a loop from Vengeance. Okay, then we have a bass. It's the typical tech house bass, just basic shapes, as you see. The sub bass also, it's a sinus, nothing special, but I made something like that. The main channel for this bass is a 3rd channel. but I muted it on the master and make 2 sends to 4th and 5th channel. As you see, 4th channel for sub bass. I used the cut, something like 228 Hertz. Also I used Soundgoodizer and this sidechain plugin. And here we have the procession for mid bass. I cut it to 200 Hertz, something like that. Also I ate OTT and made a stereo enhancer to make it more white. Okay, and the one preset has 2 layers, something like that. Also, I worked with a volume here. And in the break we have the same bass, but just simple cut for the bass and the kickstart. Okay, also we have a marimba melody. It's just a copy of the bass without a few notes maybe. Okay, and we have the automation for this marimba. It's a filter. Also I used OTT and equalizer here. Okay, then we have a crowd effects, crowd texture in the breakdown to make the breakdown more full. Then we have this lead sound. And I made this feature here, the gate effects, using the gross beat. Okay, we have, by the way, equalizer, OTT, and the kickstart. And I made an automation for the gross beat. It's something like a switcher. Here the gross beat is switched off, and here it's switched on, but not for 100%, maybe 75 or something. And we have this preset here. The gross beat starts play or switched off or switched on, sorry, right here. Okay, it's a cool effect, I think. Then we have the melody like that. Also with that gross beat fix. Okay, then we have this tom. It's something like a percussion. I think sounds cool. We have here a siren effect. Also I have a Psy effects here. And the vocal line is something like chops and one shots.
I can't shake like this.
Get down.
Okay. I can't shake like this.
Get down.
I can't shake like this.
Get down.
Yeah, sound like that. Okay, then we have a snare roll. Also riser fix. And here we have a scratch FX. Yeah, something like that. Okay, here's the track I made. Actually, it's not a track, just a demo, but inspired by this track by Pickle called On the Drums. Okay, I made a new melody for this. The old melodies sound like that.
Can't shake like this. Get down.
And I made something more unique.
Can't shake like this. Get down.
Maybe the melody of the bass more basic, but it sounds more unique. Then we copied the track, and you can use it for your tracks because it's more unique melody, as I said. Also, I made a marimba melody, a brand new melody.
Can't shake like this. Get down. Okay. Can't shake like this.
And we have a brand new track with new melody, and maybe some elements reminds this track on the drums, but you can use new melody for the bass, for the marimba. You can create something new. Maybe you can change some drum elements. By the way, I'll upload this project to my Patreon page. You can see it in description, and you can see how it so what elements are used in this track. Maybe you can make your new track with that elements. Also, I changed this melody for the lead. I made something like that. Sounds a bit different. Okay, and we have a different track with different melody, but with the same mood. Something like that. If you like the video, please give me a like. I'm Menchi. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.